Hey guys, it's me, Liesl from AMALYZE. This is the fourth video of our Listing Builder series. Today we'll be talking about the Listing Builder history. Let's take a look. The Listing Builder history records all of your changes and saves, which were made in the Listing Builder for your specific project. Here you'll find an overview for all the specific days. You can change the date and set your preferred time frame. We set the date to the last 30 days, and now we can see more changes of the attributes and content for this specific time frame. Here you can see one change has been made. That's why it's displayed with a number 1. By clicking on this number, you'll find an overview of the specific changes. You can view the changes by clicking on the old value or new value. Now your changes will be shown in a semantic way, i.e. you'll see what parts have been added, which is highlighted in green, or deleted, which will be displayed in red. You can also switch to the line-by-line view, which will display the old and new values, each on a separate line. If there were more changes for that specific attribute, for example, search terms, you'll see that number of changes displayed. In this case, 3 changes were made. By clicking on the number, the overview will open again and you can see which exact changes were made. In our example, the project has been changed and saved 3 times. First, it was big kitchen garbage, which was changed to big garbage. Whenever you erase attributes and save the project, it'll show a blank. And when you add something and save the project, you'll see a new value here. If you scroll down through all the specific attributes, you'll see that all of your changes have been saved. For example, here the color changed from dark black to dark anthracite. Or, for example, if you change the price of an item on July 12th, you'll be able to see the value change here. And by clicking on it, you can see the change from 35 euros to 40 euros. Our Listing Builder history records all changes made in the Listing Builder. This means you'll be able to keep track of all of your changes, and you can always go back into your project to see what changes were made and on what day. Neat feature, right? I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, happy analyzing.